So I took my Can-Am out to Hidden Falls Adventure Park. That's in Marble Falls, Texas. I had a lot of fun. But the fun part is getting it clean afterwards. So instead of using the water hose, I went to Home Depot this morning. And this is what I picked up. Dewalt 20 volt, 550 max PSI, 10 times the pressure of a garden hose, pressure washer. So we'll be using this today to clean off the Can-Am. I've watched a whole bunch of YouTube videos myself, and honestly, I've had some mixed opinions on it. I think it'll be better than using just the water hose. So here in a minute, we'll be unboxing this, and I'll show y'all cleaning off the Can-Am. We're running these for $149 after tax, $167. You can buy this with the battery and the charger, but I already have the 18 volt batteries, a few other tools. So I picked this up, $167. There's instructions, little deal on the back. We'll read through this later on. Here's the hose. It says rinse the filter. This is the filter. There's the connection. There's the wand. Got some little treats in here. Pressure washer end. Another connector. Pressure washer tips. Stick those back in there so I don't lose them. And nice position. Here is 20 volt Dewalt 550 max pressure washer. So the wand just snaps right in here. And then you twist. And then it's on. This is like a little quick connect. Goes right in. It's pretty easy. I like the way that feels. It's pretty easy. For the soap dispenser, same thing. It's got those notches in there. I don't know if you can see that very well. Got the grooves there. And then goes in, twist. Pretty simple. So as I'm figuring out, everything's pretty quick connect on here. This is pretty nice. That's just snaps right in place. That's where you screw in your water hose. All right, so different nozzle types. Let's start off. So green is going to be the intense cleaning of large areas, metal, concrete, or wood. Says the white is cleaning of painted or delicate surfaces, auto or marine wood, painted back, and stucco vinyl painting siding. Yellow is intense cleaning of unpainted hard surfaces. Grills, driveways, concrete, or brick walkways, unpainted brick or stucco. And that's also the turbo spray nozzle. Delivers optimal cleaning effect for the toughest cleaning task. Cleaning brick, concrete, vinyl surfaces. Do not use on fabric. So obviously, it's telling me I'm going to want to use the white to clean this can in. But we'll find out. We'll see. We'll get this hooked up. I'm not going to use this. I don't have a bucket today. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and use the water hose. Just hook the water hose up. I'm going to go between the wand, and then mix in some soap. So let's get this started. I'm going to go ahead and back the Can-Am up, and then get everything hooked up, and we'll see how this works out. Alright, got the battery in, got the water hose hooked up. I actually have the water on right now. Let's go ahead and start with the green. That's on low, that's on high. I'm loving it. This is a whole lot better than using the water hose on the ATV. Low, white. High. All right, let's stick this yellow in here. Who claims this yellow is gonna take paint off of stuff? Low. High. That's nice. And honestly, I don't see paint coming off of anything with that. I'm gonna go ahead and stick with this deal. This seemed like this actually worked out pretty good. I'm gonna stick with this. and see how this turns out. I'm going to turn it on the high setting. UTV guys, this is what you need to clean it. Clean your UTVs for sure. All right, guys, that is a Dewalt 20 volt, 550 max pressure washer. If you have any comments on that, send me some comments, like the video. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Do me a favor and do that, and that would be much appreciated. Thanks, guys.